any mechanics keeping your eyes open right now? You decided to lay low on that and couldn't get it. Does he get a finish with that, you guys? Steve-O, does he finish right there? Finish right there, doesn't matter. He's stuck in the middle, he's done. Cleared it, right there. All right. Getting action ready to